Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 overheating. First, ensure your console has plenty of room to breathe. Position your PlayStation 5 at least 10 centimeters, or about 4 inches, away from any walls or obstructions. Also, avoid placing it on soft surfaces like carpet or inside enclosed cabinets, as this can severely restrict airflow and lead to higher temperatures during gameplay. Next, regular cleaning is crucial for preventing overheating. Use compressed air to carefully blow dust out of all the vents and ports on your PlayStation 5. Additionally, gently wipe down the console's exterior with a soft, dry cloth. For a deeper clean, you can periodically remove the side panels to access and clean the main cooling fan, which often accumulates significant dust. For more advanced users, enhancing internal cooling can make a big difference. Replacing the factory thermal paste with a high-quality alternative can significantly improve heat transfer from the processor. Even more effective, liquid metal can offer superior thermal conductivity, but it requires careful application. If you are not comfortable with opening your console, it is always best to seek assistance from a qualified technician. Finally, adopting preventative measures will help keep your PlayStation 5 running smoothly. Try to maintain a cool ambient room temperature, ideally below 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid extremely long, continuous gaming sessions. Short breaks allow the system to cool down. Always ensure your console's system software is updated, as these updates often include performance and cooling optimizations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.